Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies podcast YouTube channel so na festive season no eba Christmas eba na debia no say Christmas eba the road accidents and crofofemu no also and send a to us on the subscribe and click the notification bell and no any down screen so see we understand latest news be about once ebeka the na make no Christmas season eba say na road accidents no also. Those who believe in spirituality, ebeka so ahunhun bi ena sorry a womo pese womo yeden womo nu moja because Christmas season yeden eba. But the fact is, we check records now. The Christmas season eba road accidents edoso ewa Ghana nkrofo tai ewu. Mesrao ewa say yehwe ye husu ye baby aye drive it. But one thing about this thing can is say sometimes can enye wo fault. Sometimes all driver load the lane when enye wo fault not just go be at the sign aba betown na asema abeto yenim no it's a similar story bus Hyundai trotro normal Hyundai trotro just a accidents BAC between the Hyundai trotro and a Range Rover bia for many workers say very gory accidents say wow we who pictures now a chako ewo screen so no now 2 people are feared dead in this gory accident bibia esi airport ekonfi esiem ekonfi dabi ekonfi eyisam ahedi no sorry I didn't get the name right the first time ekonfi eyisam na ekonfi eyisam bi eben mankesim ani na no ewo infimfim antem the central region na etie for accidenti 2 people send them being at on for mienu afemu ewu. Now the rest of the people no they sustained very serious injuries. Ebimuso injuries and sheda serious. Ebimuso injuries no very serious. It's here for but now the 2 cars the Hyundai trotro no and the Range Rover no head-on collision. Unim say head-on collision collision be mostly no very fatal. Mostly no what share the fatality rate with head-on collisions na yana extremely fatal. Once a car no car ni enim any car before enim ebe shiasa na and then they find a head-on collision no it's for the accident there what we've actually gathered and they say truck bus nankasa no edian kasankasa Hyundai H100 na registration number no GE 796819. It's a no cracker se kano this year ya na trese ye toya ye di sequence a ye juma GE 796819. Na it got or it collided with a Range Rover, but Range Rover no unregistered. Now according to eyewitness no there were more can and it's a Range Rover no now walk speed. Just enough speed that walk on too much. Now Range Rover no wono wo free as a wo free in crime come and kesim na trotro no so every man kesim ba in crime. Now Range Rover ni go speed na me nim say overtaking no yo say den yo na wo ko do trotro no ni lane so just say wo go speed am afa wasanso ko pie wo trotro no ni lane so na trotro no so no fully loaded with passengers ayemma na Range Rover speed ni sana na pum edi be bom na baby ade we esi ye no yesi junction bi aye no Otwakwa junction resulting in the collision. Now things like this no mostly no obo say ebia will brakes ebe fail you and similar thing like that happen here. Like brakes just failed. That maybe I say me day me branch it after me cheap brake na enchi. But like me say I was even going slower. What you say? Like I mean I was going slower. It imagine say bia na car bi di me nim na me go speed. Na my me won say me do car na enchi a me cheap breaker. And accident you see. So things like this no go say will break be fail. Maybe you'll be trusting in your car. But won't share maintenance. Oh sorry, you know, won't share can who say oh brake nature fine. Tire now you say that won't share sanya mano. And I will go speed when him say oh where do you do say you break ya me can be to me break it. and I just say or the akoshimwa etiefo aha adwin. Now as to the people who actually died, no, as to whether a Range Rover nimu and I just said no mote and na trotro nimu na na wo mote no, and then the story has actually not confirmed that. Ya try ya say you better find it out. Those who actually, but what we know is say trotro nimu de wo mo ana motive no trotro na epra and there me ne wo ka say ya rush wo mo akọ the Cape Coast Hospital whilst the deceased no wo mo a wo mo nkrofo mi no a wo mo no ye de omo akọ the mortuary with the same facility ye omo hwe se wo mo ebeye autopsy etiefo ya rehosem eba senya me din kan no we the festive season is coming. Na asemba kwa say sako de bonjumbi the dada like some years ago sako de bonjumbi say you never know into wo sorry no pebi afa ho den ehye iradensa because the ne say wo ko speed no wo ko speed wo konya accident no ebia wo ko slower nanka we nya accident ati ase the ne say wo ko slow na wo no so hu say wo ko slower wo bi e de abepem no wo no so nya accident ewu no ebia nanka wo ko speeder nanka we nya accident. You know things like this no you actually can't tell because a kwan there wo be hu say wo there wo ye wa femu there wo there wo ye wo there say wo there you stick to the rules of the road. Wo be hwe say wo there won commit error bia e ma accident mba now so the second ugo say wo bia commit error not the accident. This is just a similar thing. Trotro ni na monu ni lane so and a Range Rover ni no wo ko speed ma we free onu ni lane so aba be di trotro ni lane so into trotro no onya den e trotro no the fault ana. It's a case like this no whether the trotro is going slow or not it's from the other side. Send American police for area investigation, but from what we've heard from the eyewitness, almost say if we Range Rover no, one no be di trotro ni lane mu. Some other kaya, I don't know. I think it was earlier this year. And also Kintampo, a see ya, a ja, a to, a year bars be more. Omo munya accident, munya sanso sheye. Now I think it was a VIP bus and a grand bed bus was a day. Se munya mo ka sansem no. Kofu bebre, wo mu wu ye Kintampo. And kofu bebre ba bonti me claim here the spiritual side of things no. But later you come ko do mo su ko na hu say adene kra no na akoye say the driver na no free say no free tamale say garu say den the grand beds there no the bus na wono grand bed bus na wono e janitor ni die nim no ono na yesi wo di speed ba we free ni lane mu ekodi wo bi fufuro lane mu enumre wo di akopema abrewosem mesramo na nsenya be bia me mete on the Akosombo Tema Akosombo highway. Baby, I met just just within 1 month. Accidents are AC. Like Nkrofu was happening, so I think over 4 people. Or say 5 just within 1 month too. Different accidents in Kwa NAC and I need na Nkrofu ewu. Amatina for the whole year accident back Ukraine you. Now so Christmas equally and as accident in near ACC ever kind so. It meaning say Christmas no say Nkrofu na pen temo say then you but the accidents actually no quite high during this season. Meaning say be more the best spiritual side because you're quite sorry they be almost can say oh wait there Christmas about and Nkrofu bonny be per se say like yes whether you don't believe on this in the spiritual side or not Krana please let's be very very careful. Yen hwe ne ye say enam yen sunti yen kokosi will be accident na bia hwe Nkrofu awo mo pra say ebia ebekọ kan na nipa ko na obe survive you but ebia ebekọ akọba na nipa ko na wo say ye twa ne nan ana ye twa ne nsa na tese wa beda na disabled no just because of your indiscipline. Na say CTFM for ehye ade bia se na emede road indiscipline e wo Ghana wo mo chi Nkrofu bebre say Ghanaian drivers we are not disciplined on the road. na City FM for just 2 months ni wo mo agya saa de no e na wo mo CEO City FM for CEO Samuel Atamensa ba bonten be ka say de ntia wo mo agya ne say police for no ehyehyase politicians na hyehyɛ police for na say police for ninja ade ana mo ya eye good na Ghana for ne ebo mo abaso ba City FM for wo mo hye say wo mo ye no wo mo che a lot of Ghanaian politicians ema ye video wo mo the politicians na can say City FM for egu mo ni mo ase the politicians na akɔhye police for na say ema police for no kra wo mo suru say wo mo san so be kokon ne so akɔye sa indiscipline we nti Ghana no ye kɔ he politician who say wo ye indiscipline wa kwan so ayache ne nti wa kɔhye police for na say police for ninja sa exercise no because City FM for no money police for na eye sa exercise no nti Ghana no like ye kɔ he is the country for only the politicians. The indiscipline on the road is too much. Mon cher moi dans comment boss me tie for. Adi ya he on Ghana ha se on. Wo ko driving school na wo ko si driving na other drivers is real. Meaning say one notice we ya. So wo ko driving school na wo ko si driving truck drivers o mu hu a wo bo so mo srew. Taxi drivers o mu hu a wo mo srew. Iti ya na wo bi san say and na wo mo so nti trese Ghana de ye hu ne say wo ko driving school a ye ntre o hwe wo nim hwe nti wo bi a ye hu ne say wo ye guy ye oni kra wan ko driving school a wo no ankasa pair car wo sua ye how like the way in your mentality be see there na accident koso na spiritual side me there I believe say yes there's a spiritual side to everything but wo ma ho kwan a na ebesi. I'm going to try more again. Comment box in my for what I say.